First of all, go to titles and select the default title. Drag it over the timeline. Double click on that. Go to advanced and write anything here. I'm writing here bouncing text. Adjust the font size and style. I'm choosing this style. Select its size. Also the border of the text. I'm choosing this one. This is the border of my text. And then click OK. Again double click and go to animation and select the up down 2 animation. Here you can see. Now go to effects, filters, shake and drag the mild effect over the timeline. Here you can see the result. Now make this clip shorter. Also the text. Again go to titles. Double click on that. Go to advanced and again anything right here. I'm writing wow, pretty baby. This one. Choose the font style and size of the text. Go to animation. Also adjust the border. I'm choosing pink. Go to animation and again click on up down 2 animation and then click OK. Again go to effects, filters, shake and drag the mild effect over the timeline. Also make it short. Now I am going to play this. Now export this. Choose the quality. I'm choosing best one here and then export the video. Here is the video that we just have exported. I'm going to play this. Go back to our project and delete these 2 layers and import the clip that we just have exported. Now choose your video clip, drag it over the timeline. Also drag the text clip over the timeline. This is the text clip that we have exported. Double click on that. Click on chroma key and then click on the clip. Now here you can see I'm going to play this. The text is bouncing. I'm going to play it again. So this is our final result. I am going to export this video. I hope you will like this video, and if you have any questions about it, simply comment below and we will get back to you. Thank you very much.